Good afternoon, sir. Have a nice day.
First open CMD and type pip install pyttsx3. I already installed it, so I get requirement already satisfied as output. Then open any Python code editor. Now create a Python file called wishme.pyw. Here we save the file as .pyw instead of .py because we did not want the execution console while running the Python script. Now we import the required module, pyttsx3 and datetime. Creating the speak engine. Creating speak function. Creating wishme function. Getting current hour in 24-hour format using datetime module. If the hour is between 0 to 12 it speaks good morning sir. If the hour is between 12 to 18 it speaks good afternoon sir. If the hour is between 18 to 24 it speaks good evening sir. Finally it speaks have a nice day. Calling wishme function. That's it, code completed. Create a new folder and move the Python code to the new folder. Erase the code. I created a start folder and paste the code. Open regedit edit Python code. You can get this both wishme and regedit edit code in my GitHub page. Replace this line with code path and name with extension. Replace this line with key name. I give wishme as key name. You can type any name you want. Now run the code. The key successfully added to Windows registry. And type regedit then click enter. Here you can see your key name. So that's it. All done. If you want more videos like this then, like, share and subscribe.